Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here. In today's lesson, I want to show you how you can save some money and create your own professional looking table of contents instead of hiring someone else to do it for you. You can easily go on websites like Fiverr or Upwork and have someone do this for you between $5 and $20. But why not save some money and learn how to do it yourself in under 5 minutes? First, you want to check your chapter subheadings. In this document, I created 6 chapters and an introduction. So introduction, let's scroll down, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the first thing you're going to do is press Control A. So you're going to hold Control and A together at the same time. That's going to select the entire document. Note, if you have other content inside your document, I would suggest manually highlighting each chapter one by one. So instead of Control A, you would just highlight introduction and go to the next step from there. So from here, you're going to go to the styles ribbon, which is over here. And then you're going to select heading 1 right here. And that will change your subheadings to the heading 1 style. I've already done this for you. Once this is done, you're going to head over to the reference tab, which is over here. And then you're going to go over the table of contents icon. From here, you'll have a few options. So automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table. So for the purpose of this lesson, let's keep things simple. And I'm going to select automatic table 1. As you can see, an automated table of contents was generated for me and looks very professional. So we can see introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it also has the corresponding page numbers. You can also adjust the table of contents by right-clicking on it and press update, right? So let's say we want to move the introduction to another page so we can have the copyright disclaimer after the table of contents. So we have the introduction over here on chapter 2. Sorry, on page 2, not chapter 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the introduction to page 3. So right over here, because we want to keep the copyright disclaimer right after the table of contents. So what we're going to do is we're just going to move this down here. So now we have our introduction at page 3 and the disclaimer is going to be on page 2. But we can see there's a problem, right? We can see that the numbers are off. So to fix this, we're going to have to go into the table of contents and update it. So just to show you, the introduction is on 3 and on the table of contents, it says 2, right? So what we're going to do is go to update and we're going to press update page numbers only. And as you can see, it's adjusted all the numbers accordingly. And now the numbers adjusted reflect accurately. So now if we scroll down, introduction 3, scroll back up, introduction 3, right? They match. Now you have a professional looking table of contents that appeals to your readers. It also has the hyperlinks embedded in them as well, right? So let's test it out. Let's test chapter 5 out. So control click and boom, it brings you right to the chapter. So if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.